synopsis of trigonometry up to transformations. There are 4 chapters, 4 parts, I think. Trigonometry ratios, compound angles, multiple and submultiple angle transformations. Okay. So just first half an hour, we'll discuss complete all formulae, what are important things. Later you can start solving problems. I think you all solved in last year. You have some recap required. No, this is mains only. Same problems, same problems for stage 2, 1, and this one same problems only. Doesn't matter. Okay, both are same problems only. Yes, I will not give all formulas. I'll give some important formulae which are useful, and with some examples we'll start off. Okay. Okay, let us start. Write down. Just I'm giving important formulas only. Please note down. If a plus b is 9 degrees, then sin square a plus sin square b equal to 1. That equal cos square a plus cos square b. And tan a into tan b1, that equal cot a into cot b. If a plus b is 9 degrees case, sin square a plus sin square b1 and cos square a plus cos square b1. And product of tan a tan b1, cot a cot b also 1. Tan a minus tan b equal 2 times tan a minus b. I'll give examples based on this. Trigonometry up to transformation. Trigonometry up to transformations. Trigonometry up to this week we have trigonometry up to transformation, sequence and series is there. Those are the topics. So let us start with trigonometry. So first note down this property. I'll give some examples based on this. So for this one, examples. So on looking the question, you can take answer. Suppose sin square 5 plus sin square 85 is given. The answer will be 1. Because sin square 85 is same as cos square 5. Sin square plus cos square is 1. Okay, you can just check sum of angles is 90 or not. Next, sin square 5 plus sin square 10 plus sin square 80 plus sin square 85. What is the answer for this one? What is the answer for this one? Yes, very good. The first grouping, this group is 1, this group also 1. So that answer is 2. Fine, good. And this is same for cos also. Cos square 5 plus cos square 10 plus cos square. Yes, write it, no problem. And one more example. If they're asking question cos square 5 plus cos square 10 and so on. So they're asking cos square 90. What is the answer for this one? Cos square 5 plus cos square 10 plus cos square 90. Wait. No, revision material is only for some important models we will discuss revision material. But you have to work out previous year questions. You have to work out. Revision material and previous year questions you have to work out. Okay, now here, sorry. Suppose they are asking cos square 5 plus cos square 10 plus cos square 90. Wait, we'll solve it. Okay, now because you have to take combinations. What are the combinations? We have to take 5 and 85 one combination. 5, 85 one combination. Next, 10, 81 combination. 15, 75 one combination. 20, 71 combination. Because sum of angles 90. Next, 25, 65. 30, 60. 35, 55. And 40, 50. Now further 45 comes. 45 no combination. And 90 also no combination. 90 also no combination. So that extra terms we can take. Please count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 combinations. That is sin square, cos square 5 plus cos square 85, cos square 10 plus cos square 80. Each combination value 1. Each combination value is 1. There are total 8 combinations are there. So that 8 combination will give 8 into 1. And extra there is no combination for 45 degrees. That is cos square 45 plus 90 also no combination, cos square 90. That is extra things. 8 into 1 cos square 5, cos square 45 plus cos square 90. Now you can tell the answer. Yes. Now there is correct. That is 17 by 2. Yes. Good. That is 17 by 2 is the answer here. 8 plus cos square 45, 1 by root 2 whole square 1 by 2, cos square 90 0. The answer is 17 by 2. Or you can take 8.5. 8.5. Because if they are asking numerical question, 8.5 is the answer here. Understand this question? How to solve? If they are asking sine square, if they are asking sine square means the same question sine square 5 means what happen answer? 8 plus sine square 45 plus 1. Yes, Samhita, correct. Yes, 9.5. Very good. One more term, because sine square 90 will give 1. That is, yes, 99.5. If it is sine square terms, means because sine square 90 give 1. That's the logic behind the question. Clear now? This is. Next. So we'll do one question based on this property. So they will ask the question tan 1 degrees, tan 2 degrees, and so on. Tan 89 degrees. The product of these values. Tan 1, tan 2, and so on, tan 89 degrees. You can take grouping because the product term here product. So tan 1, tan 2, and so on, tan 45 comes the product, and so on. Tan 88 into tan 89 comes. Correct now? So tan 1, tan 89 1, tan 2, tan 88 1. Okay? No, 46. No, not 0. It is 1 only, na product term. It is 1 because sum of angles 90. So this is 1 into 1 because tan 45 will give what? 1. Okay, it's not 0. It is 1 only. 1 into 1 into 1. So entire product is 1. It's not 0. Yes. Tan 1, tan 89 1, tan 2, tan 88 1. And middle tan 45 is there. Tan 45 is 1. So that entire product is 1 into 1 into 1, 1 only. Because it's 1 only answer. Yes, even for cot also, same thing. When what you have to check is sum of the angles 90 or not, you can check it. If sum of angles is 90, then tan A into tan B equal 1. Yes? Understand this one? Please respond, children. Able to understand? Yes. Okay, fine, no problem. Next, okay, now this model. Look at this question. So tan A minus tan B 2 times tan A minus B. That is one property. Or otherwise, how they ask question based on this is asked one last before year. One of the year they are asking this question based on this property. Tan 70 minus tan 20 by tan 50 value they will ask question. Tan 70 minus tan 20 by tan 50. Yes, they will give options as given as 1, 2, 3, 4. They will be like the questions. Yes. No. Look at this property. Tan A minus tan B. A plus B 90. Yes, 2 times tan A minus B. Using this property, A equal to 70, B equal to 50. A equal 75, B equal 20. But sum of angles 90 required. So according to this property, tan 70 minus tan 20 because sum of angles 90. Okay, this is 2 times tan of 70 minus 20. Only under condition A plus B 90 case only. This is 2 tan 50. Okay, now we can divide by 2 tan 50. 2 tan 50 by tan 50. 2 is the answer here. This is a very good question for even for CET also good question. This is one of the mains question on this one. Tan 70 minus tan 20 by tan 50. So in another way, suppose you are not getting idea about formula, how to solve this one. Suppose you are not getting idea how to take the problem this one. Look at it. This is clear now? Okay, now suppose you are not getting idea about solving this one, what to do here? So now what I will do means you want one of the side tan 50 is there down. You can take tan 70 minus 20, you can take it. Apply tan A minus B formula. What is formula for tan A minus B? Tan 70, tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan 70 tan 20. Clear now? Tan 70 tan 20. So observe this one, the product value. Tan 70 into tan 20. According to this property, tan 70 into tan 20 because 70 plus 20 90. So that value gives 1. That means tan 70 minus tan 20 by this value 1. 1 plus 1 2. Cross multiply. So this is tan 50. So tan 50 equal to tan 70 minus tan 20 by 2. If you cross multiply, you will get the answer for this one. That is another method. Suppose you are not getting idea about applying formula because you know the two angles 70 and 20 is there. Now you can apply tan of A minus B formula. and denominator tan 17 tan 20 gives 1 because this value is 1 according to this property, and cross multiply to get the answer. That is the method of solving. Clear now? Okay, next question is a method of solving. So next property, a plus b equal to 180, cos a plus cos b 0, tan a plus tan b also 0. If a plus b is 180, then cos a plus cos b is 0, tan a plus tan b also 0. Just property only, you can remember. Okay, that is second property. Next, next one, generally you know the range of sin theta, 1 minus, because sin range is -1 plus 1, cos range is -1 plus 1, and sin square range is 0 to 1, cos square range is 0 to 1. Sin square range is 0 to 1, cos square range also 0 to 1. Yes, the range of sin theta, cos theta, sin square range, cos square range. And next, this is another important formula. F of theta equal to a cos theta plus b sin theta plus, this is an expression. What is the max g value, minimum value of expression? The minimum value of expression is c minus root over a square plus b square. The max g value is c plus root over a square plus b square, and range will be c minus root over a square plus b square, c plus root over a square plus b square. The range of the expression. So we'll do an example. You have to find minimum and maximum value of. If they are given this data 3 cos theta plus 4 sin theta equal to 5, what is the minimum value? What is the maximum value? Use this formula. Yes, yes. Here a is 3, b is 4, and c is 5. So minimum value will give c minus root over a square plus b square. So c is 5 minus root over 9 plus 16. Again 5 minus 5, that gives 0. If one value can take, other value, max value 5 plus 5. So what about max value? So max value is 5 plus 5, that is 10. So that minimum value is 0, max value 10. What about range? 0 to 10. That if they are asking range means 0 to 10 is the range of the expression. Okay. So minimum value, max value of expression a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c. 0 c. Yes, yes. I will give one more question. C 0 also possible. Okay, wait. And what about yes. If they are given as one more example, sin x plus cos x. Suppose they are asking what is the minimum value of sin x plus cos x. If any term is absent, that position you can take 0. Suppose sin is not there, b equal 0. Cos is not there, a equal 0. Suppose c is there, c is not 0, c equal 0 you can take. Suppose they are given sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x. So here a is 1, b is 1, b is 1, c is 0. Now tell the minimum value and maximum value. C is 0. What is maximum value? What is minimum value? Oh, not sin x plus cos x. A is 1, b is 1, c is 0. Minimum value is c minus root over a square plus b square. That will be 0 minus root over 1 plus 1. That value is minus root 2. So maximum value is plus root 2. Maximum value is plus root 2. That is the answer here. So minimum value minus root 2, maximum value plus root 2. Even for sin x minus cos x also. Same thing. Okay? Yes, minus root 2 plus root 2. Yes, clear? Okay, fine. Suppose they are asking cos x minus sin x. That gives same answer only comes. Cos x minus sin x. Here a is 1, b is minus 1, and c is 0. So the range will be the same thing. Range is minus root 2 to plus root 2. That is minimum value is plus root 2, minimum value is minus root 2, maximum value plus root 2. Okay, the same thing. If it is cos x minus sin x, a is 1, b is minus 1, c is 0. That way I can solve it. Understand this one? How to take? Yes. Fine. Next, going to compound angle sum. So I'm going to take formulas. This all you have to write yourself, because I'm not writing all the formulas. You know all the formulas: sin a plus b, sin a minus b, cos a plus b, cos a minus b, tan a plus b, tan a minus b, cot a plus b, cot a minus b. This you have to write yourself in notebook. Because why I'm telling these formulas? If you are good in trigonometry, you will be little comfortable in calculus. If you are not good in trigonometry formulas, you are little feel difficult in calculus. So that now is the time for you again recap of trigonometry properly. Okay, so you have to write yourself sin a plus b. What is the formula for sin a plus b? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a minus b, cos a plus b, cos a minus b, tan a plus b. I no need to give formulas. You are well about these formulas, but this formula you have to note down. Sin a plus b into sin a minus b, sin square a minus sin square b. Those are required. Sin a plus b into sin a minus b, sin square a minus sin square b, cos a plus b into cos a minus b, cos square a minus sin square b. Or one more formula also there. This is cos square b minus cos square a. This is cos square b minus sin square a. So these are all you can write yourself later. The first 8 you can write later, not now. Just I am recapping what formulas. But what are important formulas? I am giving formulas. sin A plus B into sin A minus B, sin square A minus sin square B, or cos square A minus cos square B minus cos square A. Cos A plus B into cos A minus B is cos square A minus sin square B, or cos square B minus sin square A. Next, tan pi by 4 plus A, tan 45 plus A. 1 plus tan A by 1 minus tan A. And that is equivalent to cos A plus sin A by cos A minus sin A. Tan 45 plus is cot 45 minus. Both are equal. The same manner, tan pi by 4 minus A, 1 minus tan A by 1 plus tan A, or you can write cos A minus sin A by cos A plus A, that is cot 45 plus A. Yes, no problem, because we have. So one day I will wait for writing formulas properly. If you don't know formulas means, it's very tough to teach me also. Yes, clear? Good, Darshan, how are you? Yes, definitely. Yes, now these are another the important things. What about product of tan 45 plus A, tan 45 minus A? The product is 1. Because 1 plus tan A by 1, this is 1 plus tan A by 1 minus tan A, this is 1 minus tan A by 1 plus tan A. Both are cancelled, we'll get 1, product 1. This is the product. Tan 45 plus A into tan 45 minus A, this you have to write down. And this is also another important thing. Tan 45 plus tan 45 minus A, that is 2 secant 2A. If the minus is there between them, sum of these two, 2 secant 2A, and difference of these 2A, 2 tan 2A. So not only this chapter, it's very useful for another topic also, these formulas. Please note down. Yes. Wait, I will go back. First, let us finish up this one. Okay, after writing this one, then let us go for 1 plus tan A plus B is 45, 225 degrees. 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is 2. Next, 1 minus cot A into 1 minus cot B is 2. These three are most important. 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B 2, 1 minus cot A into 1 minus cot B 2. Cot A into cot B by 1 plus cot A into 1 plus cot B is 1 by 2. Based on this, last year one questions came in the mains exam, this property. Based on this, they give last year one questions came in the mains exam. It's nothing. If you remember this one, convert into cot, you will get this formula. If you remember this formula, if you convert to cot, 1 by cot, 1 by tan is 1 by cot A, you will get this formula. Okay? A plus B 45 or 225. If you remember this formula, these two are enough. Then you can convert in this one. Yeah, so keep on reading. How to memorize means you can keep on remembering. Start working only now. Okay, I'll give an example based on this. Example based on this. 1 plus tan 22 into 1 plus tan 23. What is the answer for this one? 1 plus tan 22 into 1 plus tan 23. If they are given question, so just you can check it. A plus B 45 or not? Yes. The product is 2. Now one more question. 1 plus tan 18 into 1 plus tan 27 by 1 plus tan 1 into 1 plus tan 44. Now our job is how to check the sum is 45 or not. Oh, Muhammad Kaya, please solve it. This division. Yes. Numerator value is 2. Denominator also 2. 2 by 2 what gives? 1. That is the answer here. So now our job is to check the sum of angles is 45 or not. If sum of angles is 45, then what is the answer for this one? Because they all see it, they will ask questions somehow. Fine? That is done, everyone. Please respond, children. Once you complete it, please say yes or no. Okay, fine. Okay, thank you. Next, what the question came in this model question? Okay, enough. Fine. So what the question asked in the previous year, based on this one, I will give question. The question asked previous year, if f of theta equal to cot theta by 1 plus cot theta, the given question number. And the question f of t cot theta by 1 plus cot theta. So alpha plus beta equal to 5 pi by 4. Alpha plus beta equal to 5 pi by 4. What is the value of f of alpha into f of beta? Alpha plus beta is 5 pi by 4. Question is f of theta is cot theta by 1 plus cot theta, and alpha plus beta equal to 5 pi by 4. F of alpha into f of beta. This is a question which came in the last year. So f of alpha means this is cot alpha by 1 plus cot alpha into cot beta by 1 plus cot beta. It's a product term. This value you want. Because sum of angles what? Here alpha plus beta is 5 pi by 4. Means what? 225. Just I give property, na? This value gives what? 1 by 2 is answer. Yes, that is the answer here. So that is here what will happen? Cot alpha into cot beta by 1 plus cot alpha into 1 plus cot beta. This is a question came in the mains exam only. This is 1 by 2. That's the property which is given question. Because they won't give directly, they will give indirectly. That I give property na just now before I give on property. I give property na using that property. This property, using this property. Yes, yes. Hope understand everyone this question. Any doubt? Okay, fine, fine. Okay. The next question. Next one. If A plus B is 135 degrees or 315 degrees, if A plus B is 135 or 315 degrees, the formula will be reversed. 1 minus tan A into 1 minus tan B 2, 1 plus cot A into 1 plus cot B 2, tan A into tan B by 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is 1 by 2. If A plus B equal to 135 or 315, 1 minus tan A into 1 minus tan B is 2, 1 plus cot A into 1 plus cot B 2, tan A into tan B by 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is 1 by 2. If it is 135 degrees or 315 degrees. Next, if A plus B plus C is n pi, it can be pi or 2 pi or 3 pi or 4 pi, any pi. That is sigma tan A equal to pi tan A. What is the meaning of sigma tan A? Tan A plus tan B plus tan C equal to tan A into tan B and tan C. Pi stands for product, sigma stands for summation. And sigma cot A cot B equal to 1. If it is 180 pi or 2 pi or 3 pi or 4 pi, any multiple of pi, sigma tan A equal to pi tan A and sigma cot A cot B equal to 1. Next, A plus B plus equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. That means odd multiple of pi by 2. Pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 by any combination. So that this property will be reverse. Sigma tan A tan B is 1 and sigma cot A equal to pi cot A. So what is the meaning of sigma tan A? Sigma tan A means tan A plus tan B plus tan C. Tan A plus tan B plus tan C. So pi tan A means tan A into tan B into tan. That's product. Pi stands for product, sigma stands for summation. Here A and B change cyclically. Sigma cot A cot B equal to 1 means cot A cot B plus cot B cot C plus cot C cot A equal to 1. And these are reverse. If you want, you can take screenshot, you can write later also, no problem. Yes, done? Okay, fine. Next. These are multiple and submultiple angles. So we have sin 2A formula. We have sin 2A, 2 sin A cos A in terms of tan. 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Multiple and submultiple angles. Sin 2A is 2 sin A cos A, that is 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A in terms of tan. For cos 2A, cos square A minus sin square A, 2 cos square A minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square A. In terms of tan, 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Please write quickly because these formulas are very much required. Sin 2A, 2 sin A cos A in terms of tan, 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Cos 2A is cos square A minus sin square A. In terms of cos alone, 2 cos square A minus 1. In terms of sin alone, 1 minus 2 sin square A. And 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. These are 4 formulas for cos 2A. 4 formulas for cos 2A. And tan 2A, 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A for tan 2A. For sin 3A, 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. For cos 3A, 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. So tan 3A, 3 tan A minus tan cube A, 1 minus 3 tan square A. If you want in terms of submultiple angles, sin A equal to 2 sin A by 2 by 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. This is 2 tan A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. How to get submultiple angle formulas? Substitute 2A equal to A and A equal to A by 2 in both the sides. Just substitute A equal to A by 2 in both the sides to get the required formula. All submultiple angle formulas comes. So sin A will be 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2 and 2 tan A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. If A is there left side, right side will be A by 2 comes, half angle. Now same thing in cos A is cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2 and 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1 So 1 minus 2 sine square a by 2 and 1 minus tan square a by 2 by 1 plus tan square a by 2. So only this, if you remember these formulas, you can get submultiple angle formulas. If left side 2a means right side a will come. If a is there, a by 2 comes on the right side. Cos a equal cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2, 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2, and 1 minus tan square a by 2 by 1 plus tan square a by 2. Just I am telling you, now onwards you can take any chapter you can take. For 1 day, 1 hour waste also no problem. But let us write all the formulas which are related to particular topic. Okay, if you maintain the proper notes now, the time of revising any exam, any competitive exam, so you will get the proper notes for revising all formulas. How a by 2 cancel? A by 2 is angle. How a by 2 cancel? Okay, and just a minute. And after this, what about tan A? Only tan A only, enough only. Tan A, 2 tan A by 2 by 1 minus tan square A by 2. That is. So tan A equal to 2 tan A by 2 by 1 minus tan square A by 2. Because if you take for integration, so many formulas, very useful formulas in trigonometry. Okay. And next, you can take one note. It's a very important note. And very useful formula, 1 plus cos 2a is 2 cos square a. 1 minus cos 2a is 2 sin square a. Just keep it on box. The same manner, 1 plus cos a is 2 cos square a by 2. And 1 minus cos a will be 2 sin square a by 2. This is note 2. Okay? These are very useful formulas. 1 plus cos a, 1 minus cos a, 1 plus cos a, and 1 minus cos a. Even integration also. If they're asking integral of 1 by 1 plus cos 2a. If they're asking question 1 by 1 plus cos 2a, that is 1 by 2 cos square a. So 1 by cos square secant square, integral of secant square tan a. That means these are very, very important formulas for integration. 1 plus cos 2a, 1 minus cos 2a, 1 plus cos a, 1 minus cos a. Yes, next. We have some off angle formulas, that is sin a by 2 is plus or minus root over 1 minus cos a by 2, and cos a by 2 is plus or minus root over 1 plus cos a whole divided by 2. Sin a by 2, that is coming from this formula, these two formulas. Sin a by 2, sin square a by 2, 1 minus cos a by 2, sin a by 2 is plus or minus root over 1 minus cos a by 2. And what about tan a by 2? You can divide both, you'll get tan a by 2. These are off angle formulas. These are all off angle formulas. So after this, we'll start the problems. Just I'll give some new formulas also, I'll give it. And we'll start the problems. 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a. So why I'm giving all the formulas? So you will not write, if I'm telling that, you will not write the formulas. Okay. Please copy from the textbook, means you will never write. At least now you can write it itself. Sin a by 2 plus or minus root over 1 minus cos a by 2, cos a by 2 root over 1 plus cos a whole divided by 2. Tan means divide both. If you divide both, 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a comes. The off angle formulas. That also you can take it. You can take no problem. Tan a by you can take 1 minus cos a by sin also you can take by tan a by. That's also no problem. You can take rationalize, you'll get same thing only. Okay, done. Now these are transformation formulas. Transformation formula. So sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2, cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Right, I write it slowly because these formulas are very, very important. Transformation formula. Sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D, cos C plus cos D, and cos C minus cos D. This is the formula sum to product. When there is summation, you have to make product. You can use sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D, cos C plus cos D, and cos C minus cos D. There are only 4 combinations. There is no formula for tan C plus tan D. Only sin cos combination. And this is product to sum. If they are given product, we have to make summation 2 sin A cos B. Is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So the first 4 are sum to product. Transformation is sum to product and product to sum. That is called transformation. And this is 5 is product to sum. And product to sum is 5 formulas. The product is there, making summation. Product is there, summation. Product. When in the combinations, what is required? 2 is required and 2 compulsory. Sin A cos B, cos A sin B, cos A cos B, sin A sin B. This you have to get a lot of practice on. Not only this topic, even for calculus, they are very much useful formulas. 2 sin A cos B, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, 2 cos A sin B, sin A plus B minus sin A minus B, 2 cos A cos B, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, 2 sin A sin B. This why I'm writing with red ink, because 2 cos everything A plus B first comes, but 2 sin A sin B, A minus B first comes and A plus B comes next. 2 sin A sin B, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Done. We will start problems after 5 minutes. Just 4 or 5 formulas, extra formulas. After that, I will start the problem. Yes, done. Please, children, respond. Okay, fine. Write it. No problem. Because I want everyone should be learn these formulas. Okay, fine. Yes, okay. Yeah, these are extra formulas. These are shortcuts and some extra formulas. These are very useful formulas. Sin A plus sin B by cos A plus cos B. If you get anywhere, this value you can take directly tan A plus B by 2. Sin A plus sin B by cos A plus cos B is tan A plus B by 2. You can take directly without solving. Next, one more. Sin A plus sin B by sin A minus sin B. These are all time saving results. This will be tan A plus B by 2 by tan A minus B by 2. Sin A plus sin B by sin A minus sin B. Okay, apply transformation also you get same thing, but only time saving results. Sin A plus sin B by cos A plus cos B is directly tan of A plus B by 2. Sin A plus sin B by sin A minus sin B is tan of A plus B by 2 by tan of A minus B by 2. Tan A plus tan B by tan A minus tan B. This will be sin A plus B by sin A minus B. If you convert in sin and cos, sin by cos, cos sin by cos, sin A by cos A, sin B by cos B, sin A by cos A, sin B by cos B. You can apply LCM. You get numerator sin A cos B plus cos A sin, that is sin of A plus B. Tan A minus sin, same thing. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin, that is sin of A minus B. So basically, you have to apply transformation solving. That's sometimes some problems, lengthy problems, you can take directly formula. Yes, done. Yes, we'll start the problems. Just a minute. Because these formulas again will not teach. Once you start the problems, we will not teach again formulas. Okay. Don't worry. You have 2 days time is there. You can solve 30 problems. Aram say every question you can solve it slowly. Don't worry. Today 45 minutes time is there. Tomorrow another 1 hour, 1.5 hours is there. We can solve. Yes. Correct one. Oh, yeah, I will give it. I will give it that values also give it. Wait a minute. Yes, clear? Okay. The next one. Next question. Look at them. Next formula. Sin theta, sin 60 minus theta, sin 60 plus theta. That is 1/4 sin 3 theta. Cos theta, cos 60 minus theta, cos 60 plus theta. That is 1/4 cos 3 theta. And tan theta, tan 60 minus theta, tan 60 plus theta. That is tan 3 theta. If we divide these two, we'll get next one. If we divide both of them, we'll get next one. And these are very useful formulas. And even this is valid for 120 case also. 120 degrees also valid. 120, 240 and 300 degrees. This formula is valid for 60 or 120 or 240 or 300 degrees. The same formula is valid. I'll give an example based on this. Sin 10, sin 50 and sin 70. Sin 10, sin 50, sin 70. What is the value of this one? They will ask questions. They'll give answer 1/8, 1/16 like that. They'll give answers. Yes, Vaibhav, very good. Now, what is our logic? Very nice, Satvik. This is sine 10, sine 60 minus 10. This is sine 60 plus 10. So this is the form of first case. 1 by 4 sine theta. 1 by 4 sine 3 into 10 degrees. 1 by 4 into sine 30, 1 by 2. The answer is 1 by 8. Is the answer here. Sine 10, sine 50, sine 70. That is the answer 1 by 8. Yes. Now this is valid for 120 and 240 and 300 also valid. This is in place of 60, 120 is there valid formula. In place of 60, 240 also there, its formula is valid. All three formulas valid for 60, 120, 240 and 300 degrees. Got it? One more example, you can tell the answer for this one. Yes, what is the answer for cos 20, cos 40, cos 60, cos 80? This answer I want. Cos 20, cos 60, cos 80. This value, product value. What is the answer for this one? Oh, not 1 by 8. See, cos 60 is there. Hey, no. Please look at. Cos 60 is there. Cos 60 value what? We can't group that one. Cos 60 1 by 2. That you can write. Cos 60 1 by 2. That you can take as front. Because the product, it is a product. Yes, na? The remaining terms, just do it slow, little, don't do fast. Cos 40. 40 as 60 minus 20. And 80 as cos 60 plus 20. Right now? So 40 current as 60 minus and 80 as 60 plus. Now, yes, very good. 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 cos 3 into 20. So this is 1 by 8 into cos 60. Cos 60 1 by 2. The final answer is 1 by 16 is the answer. 1 by 16. Yes. The answer will be 1 by 16. Do it slowly, don't worry. Oh, cos 60 did not see. Okay, fine. That's why see the question, read question clearly. The value of cos 60 1 by 2, remaining part you can grouping 20, 40, 80. Yes, understand? Yes, next one. One more question, the same logical question. Tan 6, tan 66, wait, tan 48, tan 66, tan 78 degrees. They'll ask a question like this. What is the answer for this one? Okay, here 6 is there, 66 is there, 48 is there, 78 is there. Grouping, these two grouping is possible. Because this is not 60 minus 6. Okay, this is tan 6. Tan 66, one group you can take it. The second bracket, tan 48, tan 78 you can grouping. Because we have formula for tan theta, tan 60 minus tan 60 plus theta. Because the first bracket, one term is missing. So 66 you can write as 60 plus 6. But the term which is missing is 60 minus 6 is missing. You can multiply and divide by missing term. You can multiply and divide by what the term which is required. 60 plus 66 is 60 plus. But 60 minus 6 is not there. Multiply and divide that one. Here this is 60 minus 18. And this is 78, 60 plus 18. And what is missing? What is missing? Tan 18 is missing. Multiply and divide by tan 18. Yes. Now we can go for formula, applying formula. What is the formula? Tan theta, tan 60 minus theta, tan 60 plus theta is tan 3 theta. We have formula. For tan, we won't get 1 by 4. That means what is the formula? Tan theta, tan 60 minus theta, tan 60 plus theta is only tan 3 theta. This is the formula. So apply formula and tell the answer. Who will tell the answer? Yes, what is the numerator first term? Tan 3 into 6, tan 18. Yes, very good. Oh, sorry, that is 42. Sorry, correct it. Correct it. Please correct it. 42. Question I may change it. Yes. Sorry. Instead of tan 6, tan 42. Not 48. 42. We change it 42. But 60 may said 48. Correct only. Yes, very good. 42. You can change the question. The question is tan 70. This is 42. Make it change to 42. Change 48 as 42. Sorry, I made mistake. Okay, fine, no problem. So what is the final answer? This is tan 3 into 6 degrees by tan 54. So tan 3 into 18 by tan 18. Yes. Kaustubh, very good, correct only. Yes, what is the answer finally? Yeah, this one cancel, this one cancel. We'll get 1. That is the answer for this case. So 3 into 6, 18, tan 18 cancel, tan 54, 3 into 18, 54. Everything cancel, get 1 answer. So that is the solution for this question. This is a good question. The next one. What about same question in given sign? Sin 6, sin 42, sin 66, sin 78. What is the answer for this one? Tell the answer without solving. We'll get 1 by 16 because 1 by 4 remaining terms will get cancelled. Yes. Just note down this question. Some cos 6, cos 42, cos 66, cos 78. This also 1 by 16. In case of same tan question 1. Yes, good Ananya. That is only. Okay, now we'll start off questions from the lecture and some more shortcut formulas. Tomorrow we'll discuss some more formulas. It's fine? Yes, children? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Next one more just one more formula. Here x cos theta plus y sin theta equal to a. X sin theta minus y cos theta equal to b. Just one more item. X cos theta plus y sin theta equal to a and x sin theta minus y cos theta equal to b. Then this implies x square plus y square equal to a square plus b square. It's a very important concept. Just squaring and adding them. This one squaring and you'll get an answer here. This one. So squaring and adding x square cos square, x square sin square. We'll get x square. Y square sin square, y square cos square. So y square comma sin square plus cos square. 2 AB terms will get cancelled. It's a very useful property. X cos theta plus y sin theta equal to a and x sin theta minus y cos theta equal to b. Then x square plus y square equal to no conditions. No conditions. Theta can be anything. Theta can be anything. X square plus y square equal to a square plus b square. I'll give example. Next first question that only. Okay, now we will start solving problems from exercise problems. Just simply can remember x square because observe here sin x coefficient is cos here sin here cos, but with a minus is there. But both are plus, you can't take here plus you can't apply this formula, not applicable. Plus minus combination, both the coefficients are different. Here is cos, x coefficient cos, x coefficient sin. That combination is possible. Okay. Yes, first question. Look at this question. 3 sin theta plus 5 cos theta equal to 5. And 3 sin theta minus 3 cos theta, 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta, they are asking. Magnitude of this one. 3 sin theta plus 5 cos theta equal to 5. This value can take some k, you can take it. 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta equal to some k, you can assume. Assume as k. Now, according to formula, yes. This is according to formula 3 square plus 5 square. Just observe here sin coefficient 3, here sin coefficient 5, which is cos coefficient, equal to 5 square plus k square. Tell the answer. Just you can use formula. Yes, that is a. Yes, otherwise you can do squaring and adding also, no problem. Yes, very good. Tejas. Here 5 square cancel. 9 equal to k square. k equal to plus or minus 3, but modulus is there, na? So modulus is there, that's a plus 3. Answer is plus 3. Just assume this is equal to k, some k, this value inside value can take some k, and using previous property. 3 square plus 5 square, 5 square plus k square, k value plus or, because they ask modulus means plus 3 only comes. Yes, yes. That's what exchange required. The exchange question possible. If they're not equals coefficient, it doesn't work. Here sine coefficient 3. Here sine coefficient 3. Here cos coefficient, that exchange only possible. If exchange is not there, it's not possible. Okay? That is. Now this question. Write the question. If 3 sin beta equal to sine of 2 alpha plus beta, then tan of alpha plus beta they are asking. Please write the question. It's a good question. 3 sin beta equal to sine of 2 alpha plus beta, then tan of alpha plus beta they are asking. And observe here, this is 2 alpha plus beta is there, only beta is there. Okay, now look at, now you can take ratio form first. What comes here? 3 by 1. So, you know, compound dividend of a by b equal to c by d, a plus b by a minus b equal to c plus d by c minus d. You know, compound dividend, ratio and proportion. A plus b by a minus b equal to c plus d by c minus d. That means apply compound dividend. Here can you apply compound dividend? Componendo and dividend. Ratio and proportion. So this will give sine 2 alpha plus beta plus sine beta by sine 2 alpha plus beta minus sine beta equal to 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. Just now I give one formula, sine a plus sine b by sine a minus sine b. What is the formula? Sine a plus sine b by, don't, you can apply transformation formula also, doesn't matter. Use transformation formula. Sin c plus sin d, sin c minus sin d, or I give directly formula also, that also can apply. Yes, now you can take directly formula a plus b by 2 tan a minus b by. Let's take a, this is b. Just now again formula, sin a plus sin b by sin a minus sin b. What I give formula? Tan a plus b by 2 by tan a minus b by. I just give formula, that formula can apply. So a is this one, b is this one. Now this is tan of a plus b. 2 alpha plus beta by 2 by tan 2 alpha plus beta minus beta by 2 equal to 4 by 2. Okay, just use that formula, tan a plus b by 2, tan a minus b by 2. That formula you can apply. This entire thing a you can take, this is b, b is beta. Now, yes, very good. This is simplified numerator. Tan alpha plus beta, denominator beta cancel, 2 alpha by 2 tan alpha comes is 2. Now cross multiply, tan alpha plus beta equal 2 tan alpha. That's it also. So otherwise if you forget the formula, you can apply transformation formula, sin c plus sin d, down sin c minus sin d. Yes. So tan alpha plus beta equal to 2 tan alpha is the answer. Done? Please shall respond. So what is the answer? Final answer is 2 tan alpha. The final answer is 2 tan alpha plus beta is 2 tan alpha. Okay, fine. So therefore tan alpha plus beta is 2 tan alpha is the answer. Answer C is the right answer. Now next question. If tan alpha is 1 by 7 and sin beta is 1 by root 10, then they are asking alpha plus 2 beta. Alpha plus 2 beta. Tan alpha is given, sin beta is given. They are asking alpha plus 2 beta. There are two methods of solving this one. One method you can apply trigonometry, other method you can apply inverse trigonometry. That also you can solve it. Let us go for trigonometry concept. So basically they are asking alpha plus 2 beta. That means you can take tan alpha plus 2 beta. So that will be tan alpha plus tan 2 beta by 1 minus tan alpha, tan 2 beta. But you know tan alpha only. So you don't know tan 2 beta. That you have to calculate separately. Because they are given sine beta. What is given sine beta? Sine beta equal to 1 by root 2 is given. Using triangle, find tan beta. 1 root 10, this is 3. Therefore, tan beta is 1 by 3. Tan beta is 1 by 3. So tan 2 beta. So I have what is the formula for tan 2a? 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. 2 tan beta by 1 minus tan square beta. Solve this one. This value substitute can calculate. Solve yourself. Try yourself. If you won't get, I will explain. Find the value of tan 2 beta first. 2 into 1 by the 2 by 3 by 1 minus 1 by 3 whole square, 1 by 9. Simplify it. What do you get? Yes, yes. Very good, Saranya. And substitute value sum. Already you know tan alpha. Tan alpha is 1 by 7. Tan 2 beta. I hope all got 3 by 4. Please check yourself. What about Rashmi? What is your answer? Are you solving, Rashmi? What is tan 2 beta value? No, sir, 1 is the answer, but angle they are asking alpha plus 2 beta. Tan value 1. What is the angle? Kashyap, they are asking angle. Yes, very good. Nitin, correct. Tejas, correct. Why not 25 by 25 by 25? 5 by 4. Yes, Saranya, correct. Darshan, correct. Very good. Suprit, correct, correct. Very good. Tejashvi, very good. Very nice. So this will be 25 by 25 comes. Just cancel tan alpha plus 2 beta equal to 1. They're asking angle. They're asking angle. Angle is alpha plus 2 beta is 45 degrees, pi by 4. If tan is 1 means alpha plus 2 beta equal to pi by 4. This value 3 by 4. And how to solve this question using inverse trigonometry? Using inverse trigonometry. Just I will explain that also. Yes, tan. This is tan inverse 1 by 7. This is 2 sine inverse. Converted sine inverse to tan inverse. Hope done this one. This is alpha equal to tan inverse 1 by 7. This is 2 tan inverse 1 by 3. We have formula for 2 tan inverse 1 by 3. 2 tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. And tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. That also can do it. This one 2 tan inverse x. We have formula for 2 tan inverse x. That is tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Use that formula. This becomes tan inverse. And after that, we have formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. What is formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y? Tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus x. This method also can solve it. You can use inverse trigonometry also and solve it that question. Okay, just I'm giving idea. Okay, that's it. We are solving question. Now answer is B, the right answer. Now this is very simple question. Sin alpha into sin beta minus cos alpha into cos beta plus 1 equal to 0. Then the value of tan alpha into cot beta. Very simple question. Sin alpha, sin beta minus cos alpha, cos beta plus 1 equal to 0. Yes, what do you mean? These two bring that side 1 equal to. So you don't have formula sin alpha, you have formula cos alpha, cos beta minus sin alpha, sin beta. So now shifting this from that side, 1 equal to cos alpha, cos beta minus sin alpha, sin beta. 1 equal to cos of alpha plus beta. 1 equal to what? Cos of alpha plus beta. Because you know cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B is cos of A plus B. So cos value is 1 means angle must be 0. Alpha plus beta equal to 0. Alpha equal to minus beta. Now substitute there. You can take 1 alpha plus beta 0, then alpha equal to minus beta. They are asking tan alpha into cot beta. Alpha is minus beta. Tell the answer, anyone? Cot is 1 by tan. So tan of minus is minus tan. What is the answer? Yes, yes, very good. So because cot is 1 by tan, tan cancel. Yes, yes, yes. Minus 1 is right answer. Sweta G, correct, Amma? Samhita, good. Minus 1. This is simple question only. Yes, yes, Tejashvi, doing good. Clear? Any doubt here? No, these are not all previous year made questions. Some questions are previous year made questions are there. We'll do tomorrow, don't worry. Previous year questions. This question also simple only. Right. I'm going fast or slow? Sin x plus sin square x is 1. Okay, fine, fine. Yes, okay, I'll go slow. Kushal. Sin x plus sin square x is 1. Cos power 8x plus 2 cos power 6x plus cos power 4. This is also a good question only. But getting idea is a little typical. Write the question. Sin x plus sin square x is 1. Then what is the value of cos power 8 plus 2 cos power 6 plus cos power 4? They're asking. Yes, look at the question. No, not squaring, not squaring. Wait a minute, I will explain. This one sin square, take that side. Sin x equal to 1 minus sin square x. Sin x equal to 1 minus sin square is cos square x. Again squaring. Sin square x equal to cos power 4x. That is everything you want in terms of cos. Again sin square it has 1 minus cos square x. That is cos power 4x. This one shift that side. So that we'll get cos power 4x plus cos square x equal to 1. That is one equation. Cos power 4 plus cos square equal to 1. But they're asking what? Cos power 8, cos power 6, 2 is there. Again squaring. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. We'll get the answer here. First convert everything into cos and after that squaring again. So a square cos power 8x plus 2ab. 2 cos power 6x plus cos power 4x equal to 1. Yes. Just squaring on a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Sometimes they'll ask for cos power 12. What to do? If they're asking cos power 12 combination, cos power 12x plus cos power 8x plus cos power 10x, like that they'll ask question. You can take cubing on both sides. Yes. If they're asking cos power 12 combination, just cubing on both sides. Fine. Yes, understand this question? Because just I will give a note for this one. Take one note. This is our standard question. This is. So I'm arranging. So this is sin x plus sin square x equal to 1 is a property. Cos power 4 plus cos square x equal to 1. Sin x plus sin square x is 1. Cos power 4 plus cos square equal to 1. And same thing, cos x plus cos square x is 1. Then that case, sin power 4x plus sin square x also 1. These are two standard properties. Sin x plus sin square x is 1. Cos power 4 plus cos square x 1. And cos x plus cos square x 1 is sin power 4 plus sin square x is 1. This is one standard properties and standard questions. Even sometimes CET also very useful. Sin x plus sin square x is 1. Cos power 4 plus cos square x 1. And reverse. Cos x plus cos square is 1. And sin power 4 plus sin square x is 1. So once you get this one, if they're given 8 is given, squaring on both sides. If they're given 12 combination, cubing on both sides. Yes, understand children? Substitution not possible. Substitution not possible. In some case possible, substitution here not possible. Here this question. This is like CET question only. Root over 1 plus cos by 1 minus cos is cosecant plus cot. Then theta lies in what quadrants? Theta lies in what quadrants? Root over 1 plus cos by 1 minus cos cosecant plus cot. Theta lies in what quadrant? Yeah, this is a question logical. This question logic is you should not square on both sides. So convert in sin and cos. 1 by sin plus cos by sin. This will be 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. It's a very logical question only. No formula, nothing, no squaring and all. Just logically you can solve the question. Here left side positive because of root 2, and this must be positive. The entire value must be positive. Okay, because of this is root is always positive, so that this entire value should be positive. So in general, 1 plus cos theta always positive. Always positive. 1 plus cos, 1 minus cos, 1 minus sin, 1 minus cos. All case cos. Oh, yes. So now this is always positive. 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus always positive. Okay. That means numerator positive, denominator must be positive. This implies sin theta should be positive. Should be positive. No, it cannot be 0 because we want positive required. Yes. Sin the positive means theta lies in what quadrant? Theta belongs to quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. That's the answer here. Yes, first and second quadrants. Yes, that's the logic here. 1 plus cos always positive. So that the denominator positive by positive will give positive. That's the logic behind the question. So theta lies belongs to first quadrant, second quadrant. Yes, I'll give one question. You can tell quickly answer. Okay, I'll give one question. Tell the answer correctly. Same model. 1 plus sine by 1 minus sine equal to secant theta plus tan theta. Then theta belongs to dash quadrants. Now tell the answer. If sine theta, yes, very good, Natasha. Secant plus tan. Yeah, this is comes as 1 plus sine by cos theta. Correct, na? So this is positive. Always, this should be positive. Both must be positive. And cos positive, what quadrant? Cos is positive. So theta belongs to quadrant 1 and quadrant 4. That is the answer here. Yes, 1 and 4. Hope clear? First and fourth quadrants. Okay, fine. Next question. Now take next question. So 0 less than x less than pi, cos x plus sin x is 1 by, they are asking tan x value. This is also a very good question. Sin x plus cos x is 1 by 2. What is the value of tan x? What is the value of tan x? Yes. What would it mean? Just squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Cos x plus sin x, the whole square equal to 1 by 4. This is cos square x plus sin square x plus 2 sin x cos x equal to 1 by 4. 1 plus sin 2x equal to 1 by 4. Okay? Sin 2x equal to 1 by 4 minus 1. But you have formula because we want tan x. We have formula for sin 2a in terms of tan. 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x equal to minus 3 by 4. And make quadratic equation. 8 tan x equal to minus 3 tan square x. Cross multiply. So you get 3 tan square x plus 8 tan x plus 3 equal to 0. So solve for tan x because they are asking tan x using minus b plus r minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2. Solve yourself. Tan x equal to minus b plus r minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Using quadratic formula because answers are given in terms of roots are there. And solve it slowly. What do you get answer? Minus 4 plus r minus root 7 by 4. Okay, good. Sakshi, wait. So how about these timings are comfortable? So you get morning lot of time to revise properly. Yes, no, minus 4 plus r minus root 7 by 3. Okay, fine. Now look at them here, but they're given what they're given 0 less than x less than pi. So that means tan x equal to minus 4 minus root 7 by 3 or minus 4 plus root 7 by 3. And look at the options. What are the options which are matching with this one? Look at the options. Which option is matching with this value? Yes. We'll go to options. Let's check what is the right answer. Minus 1 minus root 7 by 3 minus 1 plus root 7 by 3. What is the right answer? Yes. A is the answer. Minus common, that will be correct only. A is the right answer. Anyhow, these two are ruled out. This completely 4 minus root 7 minus 4 plus root 7. This is also ruled out. Only option A is matching. But doesn't matter. Tan value can be anything. Tan value, because sin is there, it's not possible. But tan can take any value. Tan can take any value. Yes, clear? Okay, fine. The answer is A is the right answer. Now this question. This simple questions only. Cos 12, cos 84. Before question very important. Before question most important. 7th question. Cos 12, cos 84, cos 132, cos 156. Can we have applied transformation formulas here? Cos 12, cos 84, cos 132, cos 156. Now you can use transformation formula, grouping the terms. These two group it, these two group it. Cos 132, cos 12. Because sum is difference is known, angle must be. And cos 156 plus cos 84. We have formula for cos c plus cos d. That is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Yes, now? Now apply formula. 2 cos C plus D. 132 plus 12, 144 by 2. And C minus D, 132 minus 12, 120 by 2. Next, 2 cos 156 plus 84, that is 240 by 2. Cos 156 minus 84, 156 minus 84. That comes 72. Correct, no? 72 by 2. So this value will give 2 cos 72 cos 60 plus 2 cos 120 cos 36. Yes, we'll do. Yes, wait a minute. We'll solve it completely because we have to solve it. Now wait. Cos 72 is sin 18. Cos 60 1 by 2, cos 120 minus 1 by. This is 2 into sin 18 into cos 60 1 by 2. 2 into minus 1 by 2 cos 36. But now this 2 to cancel, this 2 to cancel. Value of sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4. The value of sin 18 root 5 minus 1 by 4. Here minus cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Sin 18 degrees is root 5 minus 1 by 4. Cos 30 is root 5 plus 1 by 4. So tomorrow I'll give the values, but again at home you can write all the values. Is comfortable? Yes. What is the final answer? LCM is 4 root 5 minus 1 minus root 5 minus 1. So already somebody else solved. Very nice. Minus 2 by 4 minus 1 by 2 is the answer. Yes. Oh, Kashyap, what is the minus? Cos 70 sin 18. Cos 72 is sin 18 degrees. Cos 70 sin 18 degrees. Cos 70 degrees is sin 18. Okay, we'll solve one more question. Done this one? The answer is minus 1 by 2. I think you are all very tired. No, sin 18 value is this is sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4. The value of sin 18 degrees is root 5 minus 1 by 4. Cos 36 is root 5 plus. I will give tomorrow all the values. Please note down this question. Values, these are the values. Okay, fine. See the answer, right answer. Now last question, right. Sin b equal to 1 by 5 sin 2a plus b, then tan a by tan a plus b by tan. Just now we did not the same model question. Okay. The same model, same question we did. With 3 we did, but here 5 is given. Okay, now let us take the sin 2a plus b by sin b equal to 5. Rearrange. 5 by 1. Now apply compound dividend. Just now we did the same question. 5 plus 1 by 5 minus 1. Now time up. Okay, just last question. I know Dhruti, time up only. Last question. Yes, this one just now we did now. Tan off. I know you are all very tired. Okay, just last question. We'll finish up this one. Already done, that's why. Otherwise, I will leave before only. So this is numerator tan a plus b down tan b, tan a. That will be 3 by 2 is the answer.